Hello traders, what do you think we should be doing in this trade setup over here, and especially when the daily time frame is in a downtrend? This and more in this trading video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent performance. It is still Napan here, founder of Master the Markets, Elite Trades Conference and the Traders Open Day. So in this live trading session video over here, this trade has actually already passed, but I just wanted to do a review and to show you all how we analyze this trade and take this trade. Okay, so over here what you can see over here is that firstly on the cable on the 1 hour time frame, it has taken out its upper stretch over here, then it retraced overnight, and then we had a setup over here of what we call a continuation primary. Remember, we've talked about this before, where the market comes down and then after that what we have is this setup over here. So this is what we call a continuation primary pattern. Okay, if you're unsure, go and check out our live trading series playlist videos that we have done on our YouTube channel. All right, and so over here, as you can see, once we had the setup, upper stretch taken out, went back down, came back up, resilience over there, and that is the point when we put a trade up. And how do we do it? We don't enter on the close. What we do actually, traders, is that we actually put an entry for the high of that bar. Okay, entry for the high of that bar, and then the stop loss is going to be for the low of that primary setup. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. And there you go. So you got your entry and your stop loss, and the target, as I mentioned before, will be here based on the range. Okay, so that's what we will be. And that I've gone through in previous videos as well, how you calculate the range from the daily time frame. Now, a word of caution is that even though this is showing a long, but the daily is showing a down, so trade with caution. And another thing what you can do is check out the open equity as well. Is open equity diminishing? Is it going down? Therefore, a turning point coming up. So if that is the case, then you can take this trade.
For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below.
And if you're still unsure, take it at a lower percentage risk. Rather than your normal 1%, you can take it at 0.5%. Not only that can you do, if it's regardless of any of the open equity or whatever higher time frame is showing, if you just want to trade on the 1 hour time frame itself, that's fine too. Just keep your risk all standard and consistent. Most important thing, the consistent execution will override all these discrepancies in the long run with the law of numbers. Okay, right. So I guess we have that. So once you have that locked in, all after that is pretty simple. All we do is we just keep trailing it every 1 hour to the low of every bar. Okay, next hour itself it did hit our target, and that's it, we are out just based on range. That's all we are doing over here, traders. Okay, after that, as you can see, it did come off its top. This is the setup what we are looking at, and that got us about 49 pips at 10 pounds a pip. That's 490 pounds. But even saying that, June so far only been 3 trades so far, 49.37, and there was a loss of 18 pips as well over here. May was quite a very slow month. In fact, it was a bit of a loss. I will do a video on the Q2 performance of this intraday strategy just on GBP USD only alone, and then you can start to see how you can put it forward to other instruments if you do wish to trade on these powerful principles, not only just parameters but powerful principles that you can cross transfer to any instrument or any trading strategy that you're doing at the moment. It will only be complementary. Okay, of course, if you're unsure of any of the terminologies used over here or the terms I'm using over here, please carry on forward to a 5-day video course. Trade a starter pack, highly good quality material, 12 years of collected research taught by institutional quant traders that we have put together for you guys to learn and grow from as well, and to achieve your consistent performance. Alright traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me, and as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.